Imagine you are in a live coding round. The interviewer pastes a LeetCode question on your screen and this one shows up constantly. Longest substring without repeating characters. Could you solve it on the spot? So I'm talking about LeetCode number 3 with medium complexity. Here is the deal. You get one string, find the longest continuous stretch where no character repeats, and you have to return its length. Careful, substring means contiguous. Skipping letters doesn't count. So, how would you solve it? What's A, B, C? 3 unique characters. One more A breaks it. Answer 3. All B's best you can do is 1. And here is the trap everyone falls for. In Pocky, the answer is WKE 3. PWKE looks longer, but it skips. That's a subsequence not allowed. Before typing any code, think. How do you even know a repeat happened? You would have to remember what is inside your current stage. And when a repeat shows up, do you restart from scratch or is there something smarter? So every beginner go with brute force, and this is the beginner way. The universal solution is brute force, and this is the beginner way. Generate every substring and test each one. For 8 characters, that's 36 substring, no problem. But formula is n times n plus 1 over 2 with a scan inside it. 50,000 characters means billions of checks. Yep, it works, but it also fails the interview. And the real solution is we have to use sliding window. Here is what they want. One window with 2 ints and a dictionary remembering where each character was last seen. Repeat found, don't scroll backward. Jump the left edge straight past the world copy. The window only slides forward, it never rereads a character. So only 9 lines will do the job. For every character, is it already inside my window? The dictionary answers instantly if S jump left past its old position. Either way, record where this character is now and measure the window. So run it on A, B, C, A, B, C, B, B. The window grows 1, 2, 3. Second A, jump. Second B, jump. Second C, jump again. The window slides right, never looks back, and nothing ever beats 3. One pass, O of n. But here is the trap. Shrink the window one step at a time instead of jumping, and you are secretly back to n squared. This single line left equals sin of ch plus 1 is the right answer. Be honest, was your instinct to restart from scratch or to jump? Tell me below. One LeetCode problem every day. Follow Python Unlocked.